Updating your personal information on Uber Eats is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your details are current and accurate. Step 1. Open the Uber Eats app. Launch the Uber Eats app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access your account settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu icon, usually located in the top corner of the screen. From the menu, select Account or Settings to access your account details. Step 3. Select Personal Information. Within the account settings, look for an option labeled Personal Information or Profile. Tap on it to view your current details. Step 4. Edit your information. Choose the specific information you want to update, such as your name, phone number, or address. Enter the new details in the provided fields. Step 5. Save changes. After making your updates, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the screen. Tap it to confirm your changes and ensure they are applied to your account. By following these steps, you can easily keep your personal information up to date on Uber Eats. Regularly checking your details can help enhance your experience with the app.